Hi, this is Emily. 2 more weeks is our Chinese Dragon Boat Festival, so today we'll be making sticky rice dumpling. In Chinese we call 粽子. The very first step to make sticky rice dumpling is to soak the bamboo leaves and sticky rice. I normally do it the night before, otherwise you need to soak at least 4 hours. The next morning, clean and wipe both sides of bamboo leaves and cut both of the edges. Soak the shiitake mushroom and the dry shrimp until they are softened. Drain the sticky rice which we soaked the previous night. Now we come to the cutting, chopping and slicing times. Cut the pot belly and slice the softened shiitake mushroom. This is chestnut. Hold the chestnut firmly, make a cut on top of the chestnut, put it in the microwave on high heat for a minute, and you can easily remove the shell of the chestnut. Chopping golden shallots using a chopper, notice and safe. A very good kitchen helper, love it. After the long preparation, here are all the main ingredients and we can start cooking. Fry the golden shallots until golden brown. Remove half of it and keep the other half. Add the glutinous rice, give it a quick stir. Add the dark soy sauce, a little bit of salt to taste and mix well. With the other half of the golden shallots, add in the shiitake mushroom and the dry shrimp. Fry for about a minute until it is fragrant. Then add in the pork belly and continue frying. To add the flavor, we add the dark soy sauce, white pepper, and also the 5 spice powder. Add a little bit of water, cover with the lid and simmer for 10 minutes. Finally, we come to the fun part. Wrapping the sticky rice dumpling or 粽子. Pick 2 bamboo leaves with the smooth side facing up, fold them to form a cone. Fill the ingredients with the sticky rice first, and then we add in the chestnut, the pork belly and also the mushroom, and finish off with the sticky rice. Press firmly and finish the wrapping. Lastly, secure the 粽子 with a string. To cook it, I use a quicker method using the pressure cooker and cook for 40 minutes. Or else you can put in a big pot of boiling water and simmer for 2.5 hours. Look at our delicious 粽子. Who wants to eat it? I hope you like this and more coming up. See you again next week. Bye!